Welcome to Learnpedia, the 24/7 JEE and NEET resource at your fingertips. Now, take a look at this actual JEE question and see if you can answer it. If you think you got the answer, post it in the comment section below. To know the best way to solve this question, continue watching this video.
Then what about polyamides? These are also condensation polymers, but these polymers have an amide linkage, that is C-double-bond-O-NH, present in monomer units. That is, the polyamides are the condensation polymers which possess an amide linkage present in monomer units. Two very popular polymers containing such amide linkages are, one is Nylon 6,6 and another is Nylon 6. Let us now first see about Nylon 6,6. It is the polymerized product of adipic acid, which is hexanedioic acid, and hexamethylenediamine. This is another monomeric unit which also can be written as hexane 1,6-diamine. So these on condensation gave Nylon 6,6. So the monomeric units are, one is adipic acid, the other one is hexamethylenediamine. And if you can see, this adipic acid is otherwise called hexanedioic acid, in which hexa 6 carbons are there. And in another monomeric unit also, it is hexane 1,6-diamine, in which also there are 6 carbon atoms. Thereby, the polymer is given the suffix 6,6. And in fact, these two monomeric units are subjected to condensation by heating the reaction mixture under high pressure. And the molecular mass of the polymer formed, that is Nylon 6,6, possesses the molecular mass in between 12,000 to 20,000 mu units. So therefore, the reaction involved can be written as, so the adipic acid CH2 4 times, COOH, and then hexamethylenediamine, which can be written as CH2 6 times, NH2. These, when subjected to condensation by taking N moles on heating under high pressure, elimination of N moles of water takes place to give the Nylon 6,6. Which can be represented as, this is the NH group where it is extended, and here it is the hexamethylene group CH2 6 times, once again NHC double bond O. This is the group which is necessarily to be present, and the extension is once again here CH2 4 times C double bond O, and here is the extension. That's why it is N times, and is thereby Nylon 6,6. As discussed, 6,6 stands for the both monomeric units will contain 6 carbons each. Then what are the important properties of Nylon 6,6 and thereby uses? This Nylon 6,6 can be cast into sheets or fibers by suitable spinning devices. Can be cast into sheets or fibers by suitable spinning devices. And these fibers have very high tensile strength, and these are quite tough and resistant to abrasion. And we have uses for this Nylon 6,6 in making bristles of toothbrushes, and it can be used in the manufacture of cords and climbing ropes, and also can be used for preparing socks and sweaters when blended with wool. These are some of the very important properties for Nylon 6,6, followed by the uses. Then we have Nylon 6. In fact, it's a polymerized product of caprolactam, which in turn is obtained from cyclohexane as a result of series of reactions. So what are those series of reactions to get caprolactam first? So we need to take the cyclohexane as the starting material. And when we bring about the oxidation of cyclohexane to bring about the formation of cyclohexanone, indirectly ketone is formed. And this cyclohexanone in the step next is subjected to treatment with hydroxylamine, where an oxime is formed with the elimination of water. Cyclohexanone oxime, that is double bond NOH. Cyclohexanone oxime. This on Beckmann's rearrangement gives caprolactam by carrying out the reaction in the presence of an acid such as sulfuric acid, where this caprolactam can be shown. So this is known as caprolactam. which is obtained from cyclohexane. This will be used as a monomeric unit in making nylon 6 polymer. So to bring about that polymerization, the caprolactam first of all is subjected to heating in the presence of moisture. We get epsilon amino caporic acid, which can be written as NH2, that is the amino group with CH2 5 times COH. So this will be the product and is amino caporic acid. This is then subjected to polymerization to give nylon 6, which can be written as, this is the NH group with an extension here on the nitrogen and CH2 5 times C double bond O and the extension here with N times, which is nylon 6. Then what are the properties of nylon 6 and then uses? Before we go for the properties of it, why is it called nylon 6? Then let us check the monomeric unit contains how many carbon atoms. Since the monomer unit has 6 carbon atoms, we call the polymer formed as nylon 6. So the reason why nylon 6 is called is the monomeric unit contains 6 carbon atoms. And this nylon 6 finds the important applications in the manufacture of fabrics, ropes and tire cords, etc. So thus, the basic difference we find in nylon 6X is that the both monomeric units contain 6 carbons each. While in nylon 6, the only monomer, which is caprolactam, has 6 carbons. But both of them are polyamides. But remember that we do have nylon 11 and nylon 12, which are also synthesized. For example, the product of self-condensation of W-amino undecanoic acid, that is NH2 CH2 10 times COH. This is amino undecanoic acid. And this on polymerization, we get nylon 11, that is the NH group with CH2 10 times CO and the extension here, and this is nylon 11. Whereas nylon 12 is obtained by carrying the hydrolytic polymerization of dodecane lactam, that is dodecane lactam. When this dodecane lactam is subjected to hydrolytic polymerization, result in a polymer, that is polyamide with NH group and CH2 11 times now. Earlier it was CH2 10 times and then this is the CO and extension here, that is N times, which is nothing but nylon 12. In fact, nylon 2, nylon 6 is a synthetic biopolymer that is biodegradable in nature, in which the monomer units are, one is glycine and the other one is amino caporic acid, from where nylon 2 and 6 are formed. So these are the polyamides, nylon 66, nylon 6 in particular, followed by nylon 11 and 12, nylon 2 and 6.
I hope you can now answer the question. Take a look at the solution here. Hit the bell icon below to subscribe to the Learnpedia channel and to learn more through more such interesting videos. Learnpedia's JEE and NEET prep tools contain more than 4,000 videos and over 20,000 solved examples. These can be accessed online through our website or offline through an SD card or a pen drive. To buy now, visit www.learnpedia.in. You can also experience a free demo of our product before buying.